नेक्स्ट प्लीज, ये नेक्स्ट। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, ए अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा। इस दुआ के साथ अल्लाह ताला हम सबको मक्का पाक और मदीना पाक की हाज़री नसीब फरमाए। Today the topic of presentation is pattern of dermatological disorders in pediatric patients of Faisalabad. There is no conflict of interest in this study. There is increase in the number of pediatric dermatological disorders which provoke an important public health problem. The pattern of skin diseases varies from country to country and even in the different regions of the same country. 30% dermatological disorders examined by the dermatologist, 30% by the pediatricians, and 40% by the GPs. The objective of this study is to determine the pattern of various skin disorders in pediatric patients and to take preventive and therapeutic measures for skin problems in the children. This study was conducted at Dermatology Outpatient Department, DHQ Allied Hospitals, Faisalabad Medical University, Faisalabad. This is an observational study of 1 year duration comprising of all patients who attended Dermatology Outpatient Department. A detailed history, cutaneous examination were carried out of each patient. Skin biopsies and other related investigations were performed where indicated for the confirmation of diagnosis. This is the data collection chart. Total number of patients were 24,342 and female patients were 11,245, which is about 46%, and 54% were male, 13,097. The age distribution, the age range was 0 to 14 years and the mean age 6.2 years. Total number of dermatoses were examined 183 and 142 were examined in females and 149 were examined in male patients. The most observed dermatoses were papular urticaria, scabies, folliculitis, impetigo, atopic dermatitis, napkin dermatitis, carbuncle, urticaria, chickenpox, burns, hypertrophic scar, tinea corporis, seborrheic dermatitis, milia, oral candidiasis. Miscellaneous dermatoses were psoriasis, urticaria, neonatal early, juvenile dermatomyositis, infantile hemangioma, salmon patch, port wine stain, alopecia areata, vitiligo, and infantile acne. The rare observed dermatoses were Cockayne syndrome, Kindler syndrome, lamellar ichthyosis, Perry-Romberg, xeroderma pigmentosum, NHAM, anhydrotic ectodermal dysplasia, multiple myeloma, cutaneous aplasia, cutis lipoid proteinosis, and incontinentia pigmenti. Collodion baby, cutis laxa, bullous ichthyosiform erythroderma, Shabir syndrome, Peute, Jaggar, neurofibromatosis, syringosis, adenomatosis papilliformis, Billiou-Berry, Muffin syndrome, erythrodysplasia, verruciformis, and hydrotic ectodermal dysplasia. These are the clinical pics of this study. You can see in first slide, this is the pointer. This is the insect bite. You can see on the sole the multiple pustular lesions, infantile scabies, vesicobullous eczema, infantile acne, and in children the herpes zoster ophthalmicus, perinasal and perianal warts. You can see this is the steroid abuse dermatosis like Cushingite facies, stria. You can see the tinea incognito, modified tinea, and tinea imbricata. Imbricata is a different clinical slides. Infantile hemangioma, xeroderma pigmentosum, EB dystrophicus. You can see the periorificial rash. Usually it's some slides are missing periorificial rash, acrodermatitis enteropathica due to zinc deficiency, and the one is photosensitivity disorders, which is autoimmune disorders, cutaneous LE. You can see the infantile cutaneous LE, and the rash on the hard palate, and the lupus profundus, and the calcinosis cutis in dermatomyositis perirhombus syndrome on the left side. You can see the juvenile xanthogranuloma, salmon patch, scrophaloderma, palmoplantar keratoderma, ichthyosis, and the unruly hair syndrome, which is most probably trichothiodystrophy, abscess, multiple sinuses, again the deep mycosis, scrophaloderma, and the telangiectasia macularis eruptiva perstans. You can see the autoimmune disease, morphia, tinea capitis, carrion, alopecia areata, and the impetiginized eczema. You can see the Majuki granuloma, atopic dermatitis, hypertrophic scars, and you can see the string of pulse, cluster of jewels. The CBDC, chronic bullous disease of childhood, should be differentiated from the impetigo. The second slide was of impetigo, and you can see the eczema herpeticum. And this is the case of herpes simplex, and treated with steroids leading to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and slight atrophy. Ophiacis, marginal alopecia areata, if it's on the vertex, we call it Sisafew, ectodermal dysplasia, and Langerhans cell histiocytosis, strawberry tongue, and the segmental LP. You can see the EDV, epidermodysplasia verruciformis. This is the butterfly baby, and I have guidelines how to feed, how to handle, how to drink, how to make a room of this baby needs good nursing cares. This is ectodermal dysplasia. This is ectodermal dysplasia Julie. Now it's a renowned model of the world. And the data showed the magnitude of growing incidence of pediatric skin diseases. Skin infestations were most common pediatric skin disorders, followed by the bacterial infections, papillary urticaria, scabies, folliculitis, impetigo, furunculosis, and other dermatoses. In conclusion, most of the diseases were benign and need special healthcare considerations. Less provision of primary healthcare facilities, less number of pediatric dermatologists providing first care contacts. Dermatological disorders of pediatric patients have been underestimated in Faisalabad, a major healthcare burden that affect the quality of pediatric patients and their patients' lives. Emerging challenge for the pediatric dermatologist to prevent and reduce these skin diseases. Special considerations needs to be given to extend the public health initiatives for improvement of skin disorders in children. You can see in this study, 24,342 patients were examined, and only 16 types of dermatosis were examined in 21,725 patients, which is 89.31%, and 167 types of dermatosis were seen in only 2,617 patients. You can see the 30% patients were examined by the dermatologist and 70% by the pediatrician and GPs. This study, but just two, three slides. There is no. अभी भी कुछ स्लाइड नहीं आ रही ना, ये स्लो उधर से है. This study was published in JPAD. I want to see, luckily the picture of pediatric dermatology was on the front page. Why it is not showed on the screen? 10 minutes to ho gaye, but problem is there not coming on the screen. Achha, automatically shut down. Oh, okay, the next two slides were of the dermatosis which resolves spontaneously, and some needs, agar aap de do, some needs surgical interventions. For this purpose, this study was published. Okay, references of this study, you can see these. Some dermatosis needs surgical intervention. For this purpose, there was a picture which is very important with this pediatric anesthetist doing the procedures, having MCs on the eyelids and the mucocele and other nodular lesions on the head. For this purpose, the pediatric patients needs a pediatric anesthetist. Under their supervision, we did these procedures very comfortably. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you.